In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy tickets on Ticketmaster. If you're new to Ticketmaster, don't worry. The process is pretty straightforward once you know what to look for. We'll walk through everything from signing in to accessing your tickets after purchase so you can feel more confident before checkout. To begin, go to the Ticketmaster website. Once you're there, click Sign In. You can log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't already have one. In most cases, you'll need an account to purchase tickets, so it's a good idea to take care of that first before browsing too far. Next, use the search bar to find the event you want. You can search by the artist's name, a sports team, the venue, or the event title. After you type in your search, select the correct event from the results. Make sure you choose the right listing, especially if there are multiple dates or cities. Before buying anything, take a moment to review the event details carefully. Check the date and time, the venue location, any age restrictions, the ticket sale dates, and the delivery method. This is important because some events use mobile tickets, while others may offer different delivery options. When you're ready, choose your tickets. Depending on the event, you may be able to pick seats directly from a seating map, or you might just choose how many tickets you want and let Ticketmaster assign the seats automatically. As you review your options, pay attention to the section, row, seat numbers, and ticket types so you know exactly what you're selecting. If the event includes a pre-sale or special offer, look for an unlock or enter offer code option. Enter the code if you have one, and then choose from the eligible tickets. If you don't have a code, that's fine too, since not all events require one. After selecting your tickets, click Next or Add to Cart. Review all the ticket details carefully. Ticketmaster usually holds your tickets for a limited time during checkout, so it's best to move through the next screens without too much delay. Before paying, review the full cost of your order. This includes the ticket price, service fees, taxes, and any order processing fees if they apply. The final total should appear before you complete the purchase. Then choose your payment method, enter your billing information, and review the order one last time. When everything looks correct, click Place Order or Buy Now. Wait for the confirmation page, and you should also receive a confirmation email shortly after. Once your purchase is complete, go to My Tickets or My Events, select the event, and view your tickets. Most events now use mobile tickets, which can be scanned